Hey guys, welcome back to another math lesson. Today we're talking about volume of pyramids. Last lesson was prisms. This lesson is pyramids. So there's a really cool relationship between these two shapes. Remember, volume of prisms was just BH, capital BH, or the area of the base times the height. Well, pyramids are just a third of what they would be as prisms. And if you're good with formulas, then this should be pretty easy. So let's go on. So we're going to look at the rectangular pyramid first. So we're going to draw kind of a parallelogram, which is like a rectangle that's kind of slanty. Find middle, put a dot. Draw a dotted line straight up, as tall as you want it to be. I'm going to go to this line right there. And then you're going to, from the top of that dotted line, you're connecting to each corner or each vertice. And I always draw it so that it's really hard to get to that one. There we go. All right. So this is a rectangular pyramid. So I'm going to write the name rectangular pyramid, which means it has a rectangle base and triangle lateral faces. Now, on the other side, I'm going to draw a triangular pyramid since we're drawing. I am going to draw. Okay, let's try this again. I'm terrible at drawing triangular pyramids. So, let's see. Maybe if I start with the top, the tippy tippest top of the pyramid, and let's draw down 1, 2, 3 lines. So it looks like an arrow pointing up. And then let's connect those. There we go. I'm going to start drawing them like this from now on. And then there's that back line that you can kind of do a dotted line. We'll do that. That doesn't look bad. That's a triangular pyramid. Okay, so this is a triangular pyramid. Let's label it triangular pyramid. All right, so we've got rectangular pyramid, triangular pyramid. Remember, first name, last name. The first name is what again? The first name is the shape of the base. And then the second name tells you basically what formula to use and what the sides look like. So just like with my last one, my first step is going to be to copy the formula. So step 1, copy formula. And then step 2, well, okay, so we're going to work this one out first. I'm going to scooch this out of the, let's just zoom out of the picture for that guy. We'll come back to him. All right, so we copy the formula. V equals 1/3 capital B H. Step 2, I need to identify the base. Let's say, well, so capital B is area of base. We can just merge this. This is area of base, just like it was last time. So we're going to figure that out next. So step 2, what is the area of the base? Now, to do that, again, the area of the base, so that we're talking about the rectangle here, and I'm going to shade my base. All right, now the dimensions for this rectangular pyramid are, let's say, 5 wide, 3 deep, and 4 tall. So, area of the base. Which formula do I need to use to find area of this base? A equals BH. So A equals BH. h, lowercase bh. I know this gets confusing. So what is the area of this rectangle down here? It's 15 because 5 times 3 is 15. So 5 times 3 is 15. And this is capital B. So that's capital B. Now, once I know area of the base, next I have to multiply, or next I'm looking for the height. What's the height? So the height of the pyramid, so step 3, height. What is the height? So the height is from the tippy-tippest top of the pyramid. So the height is from here straight down to the bottom. Not this. This is not height, not the side length. The height is from the floor to the point of the ceiling. So the H for this is 4. So H is 4. Now that I know capital B and I know H, I'm going to plug them into my formula. So step 4. We're going to say plug in and solve. So I've got 1/3. Capital B is 15. Oops, sorry. Capital B is 15 from right here. And then H is 4. Now, finding a third of something is like dividing by 3. So remember that. Finding a third of something is like dividing by 3. So what is a third of 15? 5. So 1/3 of 15 is 5. And 5 times 4 is 20. So the volume of this pyramid, woo, the volume of this pyramid right here is 20 because we did 5 times 3 to find the base, multiplied, well, took a third of that and then multiplied by 4. You can also do 5 times 3 times 4 and then divide it by 3. So if I had done 15 times 4 first, that would be 60. And 60 divided by 3 is still 20. So that works. Now let's repeat our steps over here. And my triangular pyramid, let's say from here straight down to here is 5. From, there's my right angle. So this is 6 and this is 3. All right, so step 1, I need to copy my formula. So I'm going to write V equals, right here, V equals 1/3 capital B H. Now capital B, so step 2, area of the base. Now my base is this triangle down here. So how do I find, what is the formula for a triangle? A equals 1/2 BH. So what is the area of that green triangle? 9. Because 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 3. So this is 18. And half of 18 is 9. So capital B is 9. Now, what is the height of this pyramid? 5. H is 5. Now we need to plug it in and solve. So we've got 1/3. Capital B is 9. And H is 5. What is 1/3 of 9? 3. And 3 times 5 is 15. Now, if I had done 9 times 5 first, 9 times 5 is 45, and 45 divided by 3 is still 15. So this is how you find volume of pyramids. Have fun practicing. I will see you guys next time.